Welcome back. This is lesson 3 in this section of the training copy and paste options. We're still on the training how to get started with Excel. And in this lesson, we'll be looking at the copy and paste formula option. So our focus is the different paste formula options that is available to you as an Excel user. I am Amaka Ifebunandu, your instructor. In our first lesson in this section, we looked at the default paste option that enables the user to paste just formula and formatting. It enables the user to paste both formula and formatting. In this lesson, we have two paste formula options. The first enables the user to paste just the formula. The second enables the user to paste both formula and number formatting. All right. So before we can go ahead, we'll select the cell range and copy first. So this is the cell range I want to copy. I'll select it first. As I stated earlier, I'll be using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C to copy. So Ctrl+C. There we go. So you see that the border is quite showing that the copy action is active. I'll go to the point I want to paste it, select that point, then go to Home tab under Clipboard section, click on the drop down arrow on the paste button. Then you see the FX, this particular button which says formula. I'll click on it. I'm just pasting only formula now. See the effects. You see our number does not have formatting because we are pasting only formula, no formatting. Right. So the text does not have formatting. Our numbers here, dates does not have formatting. Numbers does not have formatting, all the numbers. But if you select the cell that have formulas, you check on the formula tab, you see that there is formula in there. The gross profit, the formula is in there. So what it does is just to paste all the formulas, just as the option states, right? So to explore the second option, we'll just use this paste button, paste option button. So you click on the drop down arrow. The second option is the one with the percentage and FX, which is formula and number formatting. So this is just formula. It will paste formula, then format only numbers. It doesn't format text, it formats only numbers. It's different from the default option that does all formatting. This is just number formatting. So check out the effect as I select it. Good. Are you seeing it? That the dates are formatted because as I stated earlier, your number formatting formats dates and numbers, right? So you see that your dates has been formatted, the number has comma separation now, and the percentage has been formatted with a percentage sign in it. So these are the two paste formula options we have in Excel. As I'm done, I'll just click on the escape to deactivate the copy action. So escape and the copy action is deactivated. So this brings us to the end of this lesson. I believe we now understand the two paste formula options we have in Excel. See you in the next lesson.